I am Eric Kohler, Vice President of Innovation for Titan America. We are focused on combining innovations in materials, manufacturing, digitalization, and sustainability to address the biggest challenges of construction. And we need to do that with digital solutions that provide customers what they want when they want it, and they have the visibility into how we're making it. We have what's called a digital twin, which means we have a full digital representation of the plant. So when we do maintenance, when we design new features to the plant, we have this full digital map of what's there. With SmartPixel it presents it in a very photorealistic, easy to navigate interface. So we can go and explain to our employees, whether it's training or task planning as an example. We can show that to customers so they can understand our manufacturing process and how we're building the factory of the future. I think there's a lot of ways that this can visualize data effectively. So there's a lot of data that we have that we can show here, real-time data in terms of how the plant is performing, and other plants that we have as well can be shown on this. In order to be approachable to the broad audience, to help them understand it, we needed something that would show it much more clearly, and we found SmartPixel to take our digital files and turn it into something that can easily be understood and easily navigated. Cement manufacturing is a very complicated process, and it's a very user-friendly, easy way to see and understand through the SmartPixel what we're doing.